No, so now we will start implementing the ATS chatbot where I have showed you the demo in the beginning. Okay, so let's start implementing it. So first of all, you need to activate your environment. Okay, as you can see, this BNB, there is an environment that I created earlier, that is 3.10 Python 3.10. I have used. You take that environment and create the environment and activate the environment. I am not showing you how to create the and activate the environment, but in the screen you should be able to see the command that you need to write in the terminal to create your environment and activate your environment. Okay, now let us get started. So in the beginning I will start with the requirements, what requirement file I need. So requirements.txt I will create. Okay, so I need Streamlit because I will show you the UI part also. Then I need LangChain community. Then I need LangChain Grok because I have used Grok API here to get it done. Then PyPDF. Then Python.env. Okay. Then AWS CLI. AWS CLI I don't need, I guess. So I will go with directly API kernel. API kernel you have to use because when you create a new environment, and I am going to show you using first Jupyter notebook. So when you create a new environment, you need to have this requirement.txt. Okay, now in the screen only again you can see what command you need to write in the terminal to install this requirement.txt. I am not doing that because already I have built this for you already. Okay, so let us create a ipnb file called v2.ipnb and let us start developing the solution. Okay, so let me take one of my resume also to get things proper. So I'll have my one of my resume. Let me take my resume here as of now to keep it handy for our next implementation. So mm, I think my resume should be here only. Not sure why I'm not able to find it. Show 9, show 27. Okay, okay, this is the resume I had. I'm copying it and pasting it here. Okay, okay, so this is my resume that I had. Okay, and I will do all the testing using that resume only in front of you. Okay, so I guess let us start implementing it. So let me tell you how what our goal and what our approach will be. So first of all, we'll take the job description. Okay, so let me write it out. What's our main, how we proceed. First of all, we will collect the job description and the job description. Okay, second, we will summarize the job description. Summarize the job description. Okay, third, then we will take one thing and we'll collect the resume. Then we will extract information from the resume. Okay, then we'll compare the job description and the resume to find a match. Okay, so this is our goal. So first let's start with the import OS, where I need to put the Grok API key and everything, right? And first I select the kernel. I forgot to select the kernel. So I select my Python environment. That is the VNB that I have. Uh, Let me check the ATS one that I created today. Yes, this one. So this one I'll use. So let's start. So now I'll do from .env import load.env. So this is for loading my environment variables. Now load.env. Now load the grok API key that I had here. Grok API key equal to os.get env, then the grok API key. Okay, but I don't have this key here. I need to take it up from somewhere. Let me just try to see from where I can take it up. So if I come here, this is my project. I will take it from here, Control C, and I will do it here. I'll keep this env file here. I'll paste it here. So here I have all my everything, of all the API keys and all. Okay. Okay. So now what I do, I will come back to this notebook. Okay. I run this one, and I get the Grok API key, right? Okay. Now let's start. First of all, to collect the job description, and we'll summarize the job description. So for that, we need to do some installation. For first of all, from langchain dot chains dot summarize import load summarize chain. So we'll use this load summarize chain to do the summarization. Then I need to load text files also. So for that I have langchain community.document loaders import text loader. I'll use text loader here, text loader. So after that I will use from langchain underscore core dot prompts dot prompt import prompt template. Okay, I'll import the prompt template. Then last is I'll do from langchain grok langchain grok is the grok import chat grok. Okay. Okay, now let's load the txt file. Okay, so I think I need to have some txt file where I'll have the jd, right? So for that I'll again go to this page and come back to this page. I'll try to copy this job description again. I'll try to save it here somewhere, maybe some data folder I create here, data, and inside that I'll create a file called jd.txt, and there I will store all of my jd. Okay, now I'll try to select it and copy the path, and then I'll try to load it. So for loading I'll use loader, text loader, then I'll load it up. The whole path I'll pass here. Make sure you pass R string or else you might get some errors because of this A and J kind of alphabets. Okay, now then I'll load this document. So loader.load, simple process, loader.load. So I'll load the document. Okay, so I loaded the document, and now I will try to create my template. Okay, template. What is the template? Let me type the template. Um, hold on. Okay, let me write the template here. Write a concise and short summary of the following job description. Okay, and then I'll pass the description txt. Okay, the template I'm using right now. Okay, okay, now after that what I have to do, I have to call the prompt template, right? So I'll call the prompt template, and the prompt template I have to pass only one input variable, right? That is txt. So I'll pass the input variables only txt. Text is the input variable, and after that I'll pass the template. So template equal to this template, right? This template I need to pass. So I'll do pass like this template. Okay, and then I'll fill into the chat grok. So chat grok, and I will use the llama model, that is your llama 3.18 billion instant. That one I have used even when I showed you the demo, the same I have used. Okay, so I guess that is ready. Now I need to get my load summarize chain. So load summarize chain. So this load summarize chain takes LLM as an input, the chain type that is stub by default. Okay, and verbose. So I'll pass my LLM. I'll pass chain type equal to stuff document chain, and stuff and verbose equal to true. So that you can see the whole chain, how the chain is moving. You can see the whole chain. You can keep it off also. whenever you are deploying the solution, because that is not required for you at that time. And if I see the summary now, summary equal to maybe okay, let's give it summary equal to chain dot invoke document. Okay, now then I'll see the summary, how the summary is coming. Okay, summary. Okay, okay, so let me just show you how the summary look like, because I think it has many information that it has showed, so we should be able to see the summary. So let's see the summary below. That is JD summary equal to maybe summary output content, output text. As you can see, it's coming as a dictionary, right? So you can see this one, and let's print it. Print JD summary. Okay, okay, so as you can see, it's a concise summary of the job posting. Okay, so it is given the summary of the job posting. Okay, the summary of the job posting. Now, now I think I'm done with this part. Okay, now we have to handle the part where we have to extract text from the resume, because this is the part where we have to handle for the job description. Okay, so job description part is done and we got the summarized version of it. Now we need to collect the resume already I have, and now what I do, I need to extract information from the resume. So for that I need to write a function that is going to do this job. Okay, so let's do that function. For that maybe I need to use pypdf2, so let me call it first, pypdf2, and it should be running. Yes, it's running fine. Now let me call the function called pdf to text. Okay, and then I'll pass the pdf path and the txt path. Okay, because this is the pdf path where my pdf exists, and the txt path where I want to store my txt files. Okay, so again let's write some try excel blocks, because if we get some error we definitely will handle that part. So pass maybe as of now. Okay, so let's write something. So first of all we need to open that pdf, the context manager option we have in python. So we'll open the pdf path, and we'll edit it in binary mode. Okay, as pdf file. Okay, now we need to read it, right? So pdf reader equal to py pdf2 file, py pdf to pdf file reader. I think pdf file reader nahi, this is pdf reader should be. PDF reader. Okay, okay, yes, pdf reader. And then after that we do not need the pages, that is the auto suggested one. Okay, so now after that I need to extract the content of it. So I'll first create a blank variable, or I have only nothing, I have only a simple a blank. Okay, I have it. Now what I do, I'll try to run page by page. I'll try to look through it. pdf reader dot pages. I need to extract the text content. I need to keep it appending of it. Okay, okay, and that is done, right? So once I have the text content, so after that I need to put in the txt file also, right? So again for that I have to open txt file, txt path. I have to open in the write mode. Okay, write mode, and encoding would be utf-8. Okay, as txt file, and then as txt file I have to open, and then I have to write the content, and it's coming like print successfully that it is converted. Okay, okay, so this is the function that I wanted to write here, and let's now test this one. Okay, let me just first pass pdf to text. Let me pass my pdf path. This is my pdf path, copy path, and after that I'll have to pass the txt path, maybe insert data, that is output.txt as of now. Let me just pass it like that. Let me run this code. Oh, okay, so I have to pass by r string again to make it running. Okay, so if you can see inside data folder, my all the extracted information are extract it here. Okay, fine. Okay, so that is working, right? So now what you have to do, we have to do the same thing. Now we have to summarize our PDF, our resume also. Okay, so let's call the resume loader, text loader, again text loader, and then I need to pass this path, this output txt path. Okay, copy the path of it and then paste the path of it. Again do our string. Okay, then again we need to load the document. So for the resume document equal to resume loader dot load. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to reinitiate the prompt we have written before. If I come back to that part, yes, so let's try to copy this prompt. Only a small changes we need to do here. Let's come below, let's paste this prompt here. Write a short summary of the resume. Okay, of the resume. So now I pass the resume. Okay, same thing I'll do here, and again if I come back here, and then I need to pass this one also, this prompt. Okay, if I come here, yes, this is the one prompt input variables and template, that is the one we have. Okay, now again same way I need to pass resume chain. I need to create the chain now. Again resume chain, then load summarize chain. Again LLM I need to pass, then chain type equal to stuff, then prompt equal to, I think prompt already we have, so same prompt I'll pass, and the verb is equal to true. Okay, so I'm not sure why it is coming like that. Let me run this one. Okay, I'm getting an error. Why I'm getting error? Chain type position keyword argument. Let me check. I think I have not passed like that. That's why maybe it's not working. Okay, my bad. Yeah, it's running now properly. Okay, and now again I need to invoke the chain. Let's invoke it here only. Resume chain, or resume output summary equal to resume chain dot invoke resume document. Okay, I have the resume document, and let's see my resume summary also, resume output summary, because it's giving my resume output summary also. Okay, now I have got it, and likewise same way I have to store that somewhere. So let's keep it as a resume summary equal to resume output summary, and we'll take the key called output text. So here I am storing my resume summary. Okay, so now we have our resume summary, we have a job description summary. Now it's time to compare both of them. Okay, that's our next step to do. Okay, so for comparing we need to write another template. So what is the template? So the template will be okay, so um, you are a skilled ATS, that is applicant tracking system scanner with a deep understanding of data science and other non-IT fields. I think I need to do toggle water, so it will go to the next page always. Yes, so fields and and ATS functionality. Okay. Your task is to evaluate the um, resume summary. Okay, that is resume summary, and pass this input variable. Okay, against the provided job description with the job description summary, um, JD summary. This is another input variable that I need to pass. Now give me the percentage of match. Give me the percentage of match if the resume matches with the job description. First output should come as percentage, and then keyword, and then keywords missing, and final thoughts about it, about the candidate. Okay, this is a big template I have, and now again I need to call the prompt template for the same way. That is your prompt template. Then I need to pass the input variables. As you know, I have two input variables here, right? First one is this called ID some. Okay, so that's not bad. That's a JD. So I need to pass this resume summary, and another one is JD summary. Okay, I guess yeah, I have it right. Okay, so I have this one right now. So what I have to do? I have to pass the template also. Template equals to template, and this is the output. Okay. And now again same way I'll call the LLM Chatbot. I don't think I need to call it again and again, but yeah, I'm doing it just like this way only. I'll just copy paste. I forgot the name, the whole model. Okay, I copy this one. I don't think I have to call it again and again, but yeah, just to do it that way, I'm doing it. So okay. So I have it right now. And next build the chain. LLM chain equal to prompt, and we'll build the chain. Sorry, that is only prompt. It's not that prompt and build the chain prompt and LLM. Okay, and then we will ask for the response. We see the response. Let's call the LLM chain dot invoke. First of all, we need to pass the resume summary. Okay, so what was the resume summary I had? I stored in somewhere. I can recall it. Yes, so I've stored inside resume summary only. So same it will be resume summary, and next one is this JD summary. That is also JD summary. Okay, so this is storing the JD summary also. Okay, and now let's see the content of response. That content. Let's see the response how it's coming up. I think I can print the response to see it in a better way. Print the response. Type in the response, and yes. Okay, so as you can see, so they're giving all these big comparison with me, and at the end giving the final thought also about me. So like Let's not read it out. It's too big, and as you can see, it's able to give the response. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, few things we need to do. First, let me do that. Let me explain you that. Then we need to create a complete prompt. So we get the complete prompt, that is maybe complete prompt. Okay, we get the complete prompt, that is prompt dot format. Okay, so let me just show you how what it does. Let me just show you. As you can see, this is the last prompt I had, right? This is the last prompt template that I had. This is the actual the template. And now I want to take the complete template. What does it mean complete template? Let me show you. So instead of resume summary, I will have the resume summary as well as a JD summary. I'll have the whole text in one place. I need this complete prompt. Okay. So resume summary as well as I need the JD summary. Okay. Okay. So let me just see why it is not working. So I think I have to do like this. Maybe I have to pass it this way. C dot this equal to, and yeah. Now if I show you, if I print and show you the complete prompt, okay, this is the complete prompt. Okay, this is a complete prompt that I had. Okay, I will show you why I have done this. You will come to know once I go ahead. Okay, so as of now, create this much. Okay, as well as store the response also. Okay, no need to store the response anywhere. Let me tell you now what I have to do. See, I have the all summarized version. Now I can compare also everything I have. I can build the chatbot also. But now what part is left is that I want to add the chat history also. Because see, our UI can give all the comparisons to you, and after that also you can talk to a chatbot if you have any doubts, if you need any suggestions. Go ahead, talk to the chatbot. It's not like that only you will get the percentage match and all and khatam. It's not like that. It's not like it's finished. You can talk to the chatbot more and refine your skills, refine your resume more according to the job description. Okay. So for that and for adding the chat history, because in such cases chat history, maintaining chat history is quite important thing. So let me show you how we are going to do it. So for that I am going to call langchain underscore core dot messages import AI message. Okay, import AI message, then human message, and then system message. Okay, and then I will call another one langchain core dot prompts import chat prompt template and message placeholder. Okay, now let me build the prompt. So I'll call the chat prompt template dot from messages yes. Okay, what we're going to pass here, we're going to pass here a list. Okay, and inside the list we'll have the system message. And what the system message will be, the system message will be that complete prompt, because once you upload your all the details, right now that's your system message. That's what system has to think while answering you all the questions that you are going to ask, right? So that is why in such cases I am trying to create this is as a system prompt where I have all the everything. And why I kept summaries, because to avoid token issues, because you might have a big job description, right? You might upload a 10 pages of resume, like that is not feasible. But if you are trying to do it, so such cases also we should be able to handle that, right? So that is why I'm summarizing things, so that we don't have token limit issues. According to the paper, if I can recall it, Llama supports 128k tokens, and that is really less in our case. So we can easily take it up. So this is the system message that I had in the beginning now. And after that, I think I need to pass the message one also. Messages, message placeholder I need to pass here. In the message placeholder, I will store the variable as messages. Messages, okay. So I think we are good to go on this part, right? Now again I'll create the chain. Let's create the chain again. Now in the chain I had already the LLM, right? So I'll take this prompt and I'll add with the LLM. Now I'm creating the chain with them. And then I can ask. Let me show you how it will work. let me have a message called AI message. Then let me do chain.invoke. Okay, chain.invoke, and let's how it behaves. Okay, so let's have some we'll have some messages. Okay, let's say AMESSAGES. We have some messages, and the messages we will have. Let me just do it like, yeah. So let's say so see, in our case I need to first in the beginning, because right now I don't have any history. I need to start with some history, so that when next time you are going to talk to the chatbot, it should be able to maintain that history in his mind, and accordingly it will keep on answering you one by one. So we'll have to create a human message. Okay, so what will be the human message? The human message will be contain the same human message that I had. If I show you what was the human message will be, if I come in that this one, yes, yeah, this one, I will take it as a human message, because this much is your information, right? And now I am putting this information here as human message, so that it can have the context that what it has answered and what it has talked about. Okay, and after that accordingly it can continue with the discussion about your resume, right? And now another thing also we need to do, once this one is done, then we need to add another thing that is called I think comma I pass AI message. So I need to pass the response also that I have received as of now, just to create the history for us, because it has to know, right, that what human asked and what response our AI gave. So these two information we required to continue the conversation as in history, right? So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm doing content equal to response dot content. That is what containing the last response that we had, right? Okay, so that is done. Now if I ask, okay, let me add some human questions now. Let's see if it is able to answer it. Human message, my bad, auto completion is bad. Human message, let me ask you, tell me more about him, let's see. Let's see what it replies. More about him. Okay, if I do this one, and if I print the AI message response, AI message dot content. Okay, if I run this code now, as you can see, right, it's keeping remembering my name and my all my information. That is what I want while talking to my chatbot in the UI, right? So that's what it is doing. Now I will ask questions one by one, and I'll keep on appending the answers also provided by AI in this list, so that while answering you in the chatbot UI, it can easily answer and it can easily remember what it has replied in the last chat history. Okay, so that's one what I wanted to show you. Okay. Okay, so I guess we are done with our demo for this Jupyter notebook, and now we have to create our chatbot using Streamlit. So let's start with that part. So for that, I will create a app.py file for you, app.py file, and I will continue with the implementation here. Okay, so first do some imports. We need to do import Streamlit as st. Then we need to do from py-pdf2. I think I wrote the spelling wrong. py-pdf, pdf2. Don't know why it is not coming. Import pdf reader. Okay, pdf reader. Okay, after that we need to do langchain code dot messages, import same thing, AI message, human message, system message. Okay, then we need to do, I think this is not required. Okay, so let me import OS. Then so then we need to do few things. Let me tell you what. Then few imports we need to do. First of all, see, now I am going to do all the summarization and all, right? So for the summarization specifically, we had some prompts, right? We had some prompt that we had to implement. So for that situation only, we are going to use, see, this is the code that we have written, right? This is the code that we had for JD, and this is the code that we had for resume, right? So that both we need to take care of. So for that, we need to create a py file, and I'll create a separate py file where I can call those methods, because if I keep on adding them in this py file, it will like cumbersome for you to understand, as well as it is not best practice to write code. Okay, so let me create a new file, that is summarize.py, and there I'm going to write all the codes that I had. Okay, I guess yeah. Okay, so let me just copy paste, I think, whatever I have written there, because the same thing I have written only. Yeah, just copy this whole thing, just paste it here first, and we will do some more changes. First of all, I'll call this as a summarize JD. Okay, summarize the JD. Then we need to pass summarize the JD, we need to call, and then we need to pass the input path, right? We need to pass the input path, the part of this file, right, that we need to pass. And then we'll try to indent everything here, maybe yeah, here. So after that, I think I need to change this one, and to make this input path first of all. Yes, input path I had. Okay, yes. So this is the input path that I had, and I have this code, right? Okay, now it has to return this summary. It has to return you the summary. Return the summary. Okay, save the return summary. Now same you have to do for um, resume also, because same, just I guess prompt is different, but others are almost same. So we'll still create a separate file for the same resume. Okay, input path, everything will be there, but it will be following a resume. So I'll pass the resume like this. Okay, okay, so rest stuff will be the same. Okay, okay, so I think we can again come back to this one. Now you can call them. Now to call them, we need to do simple things. So from summarize, import summarize JD, and summarize resume. Okay, fine. Now another thing we need to do now. So now what we have to do, we have to do the similarity checkup, right? Now once we had this, as you can remember, right, the steps. First we summarize, again I'm repeating the same. I'm summarized the JD, summarized the resume. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to compare them. So for comparing them, I need to have some separate py file. So I'm following that way. So let me create another py file called resume underscore sim.py, and I'm going to copy the imports, mostly same for it. So I'm going to copy this imports as of now. Yes, I'm going to copy the imports for it. I'll paste the imports, and I guess I'm good here. And I think I might need to use something else also. We'll see that. But yeah, let's now go ahead with this. So I need to import OS also, because I need to use this LLM model, right? So for that I required, and I think here also I need to call that. If I can do that, okay, let me just call it here. I think I need to call the .bnb there also, because there also I'm using LLMs. I forgot to put that value there, but yeah, I can do that changes. Come here, just put it here. So they will come to know like all the API keys that it has. For same I'll do for here also. Just not two times import this shit. Okay. Yeah. So I guess it is here. Okay, now let's create a function again. Resume checkup. The function name I give resume checkup. So I'll pass here the resume summary. Resume summary, and the JD summary. Okay. Then I'll take the template. What template I have written? If you can see here, I have the template, right? If I come back here, come below. If I come below, yes. So I guess here I guess matches. So this is the template that I had. I'll copy it. Same template I copied, paste it here. Okay. And again I'll do toggle word wrap. Ignore this issue. Okay. I guess this space is not required for this one. It's under this part. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And same way I'll call it again. Same prompt template. These things will be same. Nothing is different. I'm just putting everything properly. Okay. We'll have it like this. Okay. Let's pull these things inside it. Yeah. So I think we got it. Now two things I'm going to return from here. Okay. Two things I'm going to return from here. Hmm. Yeah, so I'm getting the response from here, as well as I'll take this complete template also that I've created below. That is also I need to use. I'll show you why I'm doing it, but yeah, as of now we will see like how to use it. But yeah, yeah. So I need two things as a return. First of all, the complete prompt I required, as well as the response I required. Okay, response the content to be specific. These two I required, and why I required and how I'm going to connect all of them, that you will see. But yeah, this is the overall function that I had. Okay, I guess this creation also we are done. Now let's go back to our app.py. So let's call that one again from resume, from what is the name I gave? Yeah, resume simulator import. Um, Name I forgot. What name I gave? Resume checkup. Yes, here resume checkup. Okay. Now this is also done. Now another one we have to do. We have to create another method. Okay. We create another method for handling the chat history. So for handling the chat history that I showed you right here, if I come back again here, so this is what this thing I have done right. For this also I need to maintain something. So for that I will create another py file, that is chatbot.py. Chatbot.py. Okay. Here is the chatbot.py now. And I can copy few of the codes. Like most of the all the codes are same actually. Nothing different will be here. But yeah, this one I'll import it first here. As well as I think yes, these things are done. And I need to call the grok also here. So from langchain uh langchain underscore grok import chat grok grok chat grok grok. Okay, chat grok. Okay, yeah. And same that these things also record for me. This API keys are important for me, so we have to use this API keys also. So you can do import OS and you can do this, that is here. Okay. Now I'll take the copy. I'll copy paste the code from here. This whole content I need to copy actually. First of all, then I'll do the changes whatever is required. Yes, I'll paste these changes here. Again, I need to toggle the word wrap. Yes, I toggle the word wrap. Yes, it looks good to me. Okay. Now I guess we are good to go here. Okay, so now what changes we need to do? Let me tell you. So in terms of changes, what you have to do, we have to have some chat list. Okay, let me tell you what did I mean by chat list here. I think let's not use chat list in our code. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me just create a function first. Define get ready chain. Okay. So this is a name I'm giving called get ready chain that will take input as a system message. We'll take the system message as an input. Okay. We'll do a system message as an input. Then after that, what it will do, it will come here. You first make it inside this function first. Push it here like that. Yeah. Okay. So we have it right. So get ready chain I had. Now from chat from template, I need to pass the system message, right? Because that is what I'm passing actually, the system message, right? And then I have to call the LLM, and let's copy the LLM content from here. I guess the same content every time I have to call it. Okay, this one, yes. So I have my chain, and I don't have to do this one. I just have to return the chain. Here only I'm returning the chain. That's why I gave it a name called get ready chain. So we are keeping the chain ready for the work. Okay. Now let's come back to this resume similarity py file and let's do our work. So not resume similarity py file. My bad. I have to come to the app.py file, right? Okay. Okay. So I guess we are good. So last, let's call this one. So from chatbot import get ready chain. That's really great. We have the get ready chain. Okay. So now let's start our implementation. So I'm first going to create a make dirs to create a folder for data folder. I know it does exist, but my code will work like that. So I need to make sure that if somehow that got deleted, it should be able to create it up again whenever this code is going to run. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we need to do one thing. First, we need to set up the session state to hold the chat history, right? I'll go one by one. Okay. First of all, we need to do the session state to hold the history. So if chat history, chat history, or if chat history not in st dot session state, okay. If that is not in st dot session state, then st dot session state dot chat history. Okay. So what is the chat history that I need to pass? You can remember, right? What is the chat history? The chat history was the human message that I had. If I show you the human message, if I come here, yes. So this is the chat history that I was talking about. This is the chat history that I want to maintain, right? So come here, that is app.py. Okay, yes. Yeah, again I need to toggle the word trap. Okay, yes, okay. So I'm maintaining this one. Okay. Now that is done. Now I need to do some page configuration. Set page config. Page title, let's give it like ATS friendly, ATS friendly chatbot. Okay. And let's give the layout, maybe layout equal to white. Okay. The name I'm passing right now, and let me give you the page also. We'll stick two things. We'll have two pages. First pages will be the upload page where you can upload your resume and put your JD. Another one will be the chatbot page where you can easily upload your resume. Then you can do whatever you want to do with that. Okay. So for that I need to keep this thing, because in the chatbot you're going to talk to the chatbot. What about discussing you want to do, go ahead and talk about it with it. Okay. So we have a page here, and then I think two options we will pass. One is upload, the other one is maybe chatbot. Okay. I guess we are good in this part, right? Now we'll do key if page equal to upload, page equal to upload, then we'll have some title within the page. One will be in the upload page, right? We'll have some ATS friendly friendly chatbot. It has been a chatbot. There's some we don't need some markdown, leave it as of now. So now we have to do, we have to put two things. See, now step by step. First, what user has to do? User has to upload. He has to write the whole job description, right? So for the job description, I need to put a header file where the user will write the job description. Like step one will be upload the job description. The job description. Okay, I think I can keep it a capital D. That looks good to me. And maybe this one also capital G. Okay. So I have the job description. Okay. Now then I will have the job description as a variable, but I will try to have some text area where user is going to paste the content. Text area I'll keep it like paste the job description here. Okay, then is also here. Then height equal to 200. Height we need to pass here. Okay. Now, if the job description is passed, then we need to do one thing. We need to get the JD file path because we have to store that um, copy pasted text somewhere, right? So that we can take it up. So I have created a data folder, right? If you can remember. So I'm going to store everything there only with some static name like wizard path.join, right? Now I have a data folder and there I will store it as a jd.txt. jd.txt. Okay. Now once I save it as a jd.txt, I can open this jd.txt and I'll make sure the encoding is right. So I think I have to do this encoding equal to UTF-8, okay, as if, or let's keep it like as a JD file. Looks like it's convenient. Now then we'll do like JD dot file dot write job description. Okay, so this is the job description that I have written here. Okay, the txt file, and then I'm gonna send some success matches that okay, I think that job description uploaded successfully or saved successfully, whatever you want to show. Okay. Now next one will be for the job description was done, right? Now I have to do for the upload resume, right? So yeah, step 2 is for upload the resume, and again upload the resume in a PDF format. That what our expectation is. Okay. So right now we are only allowing for PDF. Now we need to create a variable called extracted text because we are extracting the text from the resume. Okay, I'm not using any PyPDF loader from LangChain. Okay, I'm doing using PyPDF 2 to do the extraction because I found that it was working really better than LangChain loaders. Okay, so that's why I'm using it. But yeah, you can use PyPDF loader also. Now, if the file is uploaded, if first of all we check, right, this file is uploaded or not. So I think I need to rename it as uploaded file because it will help me to write the code. So if I do like uploaded file, okay, if the file is uploaded, I'll take the file extension. I need to take the file extension because yeah, dot name using that I'll take the file extension. Then I take the last element. Then I'll lower it. Okay, and then I'll check if the file extension is PDF. Then only we'll do something. Okay, that is not, then we won't do anything. So now what you have to do, we do like st-info. We'll add something like processing the file. It's like something is will come up now like this. Processing the file or something like that will come up. So once you have that one, we'll try to read it up. So PDF reader, we need to read this file, right? So PDF reader, we need to read the file that is the uploaded file. So we are reading the file and then we're going to extract the text. I think that is, let me write the code by my hand because that is the wrong suggestion. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to join with some space dot join. Okay. Page. So for page in PDF reader dot pages. Okay. If the page extract text, if the page extract text, then try to do maybe page dot extract text. If it has some text to extract, then it will definitely extract it. Okay, and then again same way I have to store that extracted text somewhere. So I have to have a resume file path. right? Resume file path I will store it up like for os path.join. Okay, data, then resume.txt. Okay, yeah. And now if someone is uploading something that is not a PDF file, we throw some error or something that unsupported format, unsupported file format. You can do for images also if you want to do it. Like you just add another condition and do it. That is very easy. Okay. Okay. So I guess we are good here. Now we'll see if extracted text we got it. If we are able to extract some text, then we need to save it, right? We need to save it somewhere, right? So for that we need to open, yeah, it's like it's giving the correct suggestion. Open the resume file path, okay, and write all the extracted text. You get some message called st.success that resume uploaded successfully. Okay. Now what do you have to do? Now we have to I think we can show the extracted text also. st.text area. Okay. Extracted resume. So in the UI itself you can see what is extracted in the UI. Okay, that you can also see. So value equal to extracted text. So you can see the extracted text also, and we keep the height maybe 150. Okay. Whatever you want to take, you can keep it up. Okay, then we'll send a success message that maybe like you are ready. You are ready. We need to tell the user, right, what he has to do after this. Please move. Please move to chatbot page. Okay, please move to the chatbot page and chat with our ATS chatbot. Okay, and if that is not there, then maybe that is not working, right? You can do like else stimulator warning could not extract. If it is not able to extract anything, could not extract text from the uploaded resumes. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I guess we are good for the upload part. Now what you have to do for when we have a chatbot part, or we are going to talk to a chatbot, so that part is also important. So for that I'll have elif page equal to chatbot. So when you have a chatbot, again we will have a separate page st.title ATS Friendly chatbot, and subheader maybe welcome to our ATS Friendly chatbot. Okay, now what you have to do, we have to get the JD summary, right? We have to take the JD summary, and for that I have already called a function called summarize JD. They'll pass the input path, and they'll pass os.path path dot join, yes, and I need to pass the data, and after that I need to pass jd.txt, right? jd.txt. Okay, these are JD summary. After that I need to take the resume summary also. Resume summary equal to summarize resume. Summarize resume, I need to pass the input path equal to os.path.join os.path.join data I need to pass, and after that I need to pass the resume.txt. Okay, so this is the resume summary, this is the JD summary that we have to pass. Okay, so now we need to call that resume checkup method, right? Resume checkup. Now resume checkup method, what was it was containing? It was containing just a resume summary and the JD summary. So already we have it, right? So we'll pass them resume summary and the JD summary. Okay, JD summary. Let's pass it this way. Yeah, we have the JD summary, and it will return two things, right? It will return the system message and the fast history. So fast history, I'll give it a name like fast history. Okay. Okay. Now what do I have to do? I have to add the AI message response, because right, this has fast history. This contains the response that we got for very first time from the AI. That also need to append in the session state. So session state dot chat history, ht dot session state dot chat history dot append AI message. Now the first history. Okay, this is what we are appending right now. Now then we have update chat list. We get a new variable because it is updated now, right? So st dot session state dot session state dot chat history dot chat history dot chat history. Copy. We're just copying this just to get a good name. Nothing else. Okay. Keep it like updated one. Okay. Updated one. Okay. Now I think we have it. Now let's get the chain, right? Let's get the chain. That's get ready chain that already I have created, right? Get ready chain. So get ready chain I have to pass only the system message. Only the system message I need to pass. So I have passed the system message already. Now I think very last few things we need to do. Now if that messages in st.session state dot message, I guess, dot message, yes, st session dot if, okay, my bad, if message is not in, yes, if message not in st dot session dot state, then we need to keep it as a blank. Okay, I guess yeah. Okay, so I kept it like this way. Now then, if I'll take the prompt now from the user, if we have some prompt, right, we have some prompt that is st dot chat input. If we have some prompt, actually I forgot to the one thing, I forgot to add one thing, that is I need to show you the display of the last messages also, right? I forgot to do that one. So for that I need to run a loop. So for message in st dot session state dot messages, so it will contains all the discussion that you had. So now I'm going to show that. So using chat message, we'll take the message, we'll take the message role. Okay, we take the message role, then st dot markdown message, then content. Okay, so this is the code that I wanted to write to show the past history that we had, whatever discussion you had with the chatbot, that you can see using this code. Okay, okay, so we have it, right? So now what you have to do, you have the prompt, we have everything. Now once you get the prompt, first of all we need to update after the chat list dot append, we need to update that chatbot with the human message, because we got some human message, right? You got some human message, and that human message also you need to update in the history. So this is the human message that we had. Okay, and same we need to update in the system state also. Dot messages dot append. Let's add the role. Role will be for the user. Then content. The prompt. So user asks the prompt. So this is the content. Okay. And we will also do like we dot st dot chat message user st dot markdown. So you can see the message. You can see the prompt. Now we need to show the response also in the display. So for that also you need to do chat message assistant, because this is for the assistant, we are going to reply. So we need to take the AI message So chain, and we need to call the invoke function. Then we call the messages. Then updated chat list that I need to pass in the messages so that it can remember what is the last discussion that it has, right, while answering the question. So now then stream, I get a stream variable where I will store the AI underscore message dot content maybe. Okay. And after that do the response, response equal to history write stream. Okay. Okay. So this is the response that I'm writing right now. So once I have that one, I'll try to append that also in the session. What happened? Role, that is assistant, and another one is the content, that is the stream. STREM. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So yeah, I guess this is the code that we have. I think our code is ready, and let's now run this code. So let's do like Streamlit run app.py. So yeah, it's loading up now. Okay, yeah. So let's again test on the same thing. Copy this one, copy, paste this one, and let's upload my resume again. We got some error. OS has not your path. So on what line am I getting error? Line 39 in app.py. Okay, line 31 in app.py. Okay, by mistake kept a capital B, should be small p. Okay. So let's stop this one again, rerun it again. Okay. Okay. Again paste this question, and now click on, so see, as you can see, it's uploaded successfully. Now I'm going to upload my resume that I had, that is done my resume, and then it will show you the content also. See, it's showing my content also. You can see there you are ready. So please move to the chatbot page and chat with the ATS bot. So let's move to the chatbot page and chat with the ATS bot. Okay, so we are in the ATS bot chat page. Let's say how. Hi, let's ask hi. Okay. Okay. So we got some error as no attribute append. Okay, we're getting an error. In what line we're getting that error? We're getting an error. In line number 99, we're getting that error. Let's see what is the error. I guess last line was throwing the error. Let's see. Okay, I think I missed the messages. That's why it's throwing the error. Okay, actually I forgot to write messages. That is why it is throwing the error. And let me rephrase it, restart this one. Okay, let's again paste the job description. My bad. Keep this here. Yeah, let's say copy the job description again. Maybe copy this whole job description that they have provided. Okay, seeking. Yes, keep this Ctrl C. Come here, paste it up. Then upload that. Upload that again. My resume. Tanmay Chakraborty. Yeah, and if we go back to the chatbot page and again send hi. If I send hi, now I should not get any error. Okay, yeah. So you can see I can ask, so tell me the name of him, name of the candidate. Yeah, so candidate name is Tanmay Chakraborty. So how much similar is resume? Is resume with the job description? Let's ask this one. Just generate the response, and I think there's some issues going on. Maybe let me ask the question again. I think. Okay. So not getting any response. Uh, okay. Uh, about him. Mm, yeah, actually, it's taking time to generate the response. What I can see. So yeah, it's like taking time to load it up here. So yeah, so as you can see, it's answered that okay. So these are the similarities. 85% match with the job description. So like this, you can go ahead and implement this one. So that's what all I wanted to show you guys. And I know it's a quite long video. So but like I've showed you the how to implement it end to end and build the complete UI for the chatbot. So I hope you like this, guys. Thank you for watching and hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.